Hello and welcome to Galaxy eMind. Galaxy eMind, one of the leading website designing and mobile application development company based in Delhi, provide all type of web services and mobile application services as well. So, if you are looking for an e-commerce mobile application, then we are presenting today in this video. It's an e-commerce mobile application developed in Android. So, if you are looking to develop the mobile application like this, you can contact us on the number that is given on the screen. So if we talk about the homepage of the screen, you can see you can list multiple product categories there, and you can list the products as according to the brand's latest products, and you can also put the category wise product on the mobile application. All these things will be maintained from the backend panel, which we will provide web based backend panel from where you can manage each and everything of your mobile application. If you can see on the screen that there are a number of categories in which the products are listed. These products are managed through the backend panel. So if we go through the mobile application and I just click on the category, then you will see the multiple categories which we have listed on this mobile app. And further there is subcategories, and you can put the products in the subcategories, and after all there will be a detail page you can check. And these products can be viewed in list view or grid view. You can filter the product from the filtration box and apply the filtration according to price high low, top rating, top selling products. You can put many filtration there. User can buy the product directly from the website. As the user see the product detail with multiple pictures will be uploaded from the backend panel, and the product information will be described like this: that the price, product description, features, the multiple attribute section will work in the backend panel. Just like if you have a business of garments, then there is a attributes like size, colors, and in case you have electronics products, then you will have to manage the RAM, hardware. Each and everything is manageable by the backend panel. From backend panel you can manage. Let's go further, and I just choose one product and I select this to buy the product, and then we can buy the product from here, and we can add multiple products in our cart. We will provide you a coupon system as well. As I have clicked on the coupon, then we can apply the coupon code to our product, and if the coupon code will be applied, then the price will reduce automatically. As you seeing in the screen that the price after the coupon code is reduced, and the actual amount will be shown on the screen. What type of coupon code you have applied means in the sense of amount, then you can after apply the procedure of coupon code, you can purchase the product from different payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, Paytm, Amazon Pay, anything else. You can pay the amount from your wallet as well. So in the user panel, this mobile application will be the user and application, and where the user can check all his orders and order status as well. What is his previous purchase orders, he can check in my order section. So this is the complete solution of an e-commerce mobile application. So if you are looking to implement this type of solution on your business, then you can contact us anytime on the number which we have displayed on the screen, and you can also contact us via email as well. So please remember, our company name. Company name is Galaxy eMind. Other than this, we also provide all type of web services like portal development, e-commerce website development, job portal development, and many more. And all type of web-based softwares. We also provide all type of web-based software. So, having any question in your mind, please contact us anytime, and you can drop an email to us. You can contact us via WhatsApp as well. So thanks for watching this video, and for more information about the videos like this and the services like this, please subscribe our channel Galaxy eMind on YouTube, so you will get the latest information from our side. Thank you.